Good morning, dear students. Open page number 24. Second chapter, the tsunami. Yes, a tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. There are first part, second part, third part, 3 parts in this chapter. So the first story, unfortunate Ignatius. The first story is about Ignatius. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. sensing an earthquake. उसकी वाइफ ने उसको 6 बजे उठा दिया, sensing an earthquake. Ignatius put the television on the ground to save it from the quake. Then all the members of the family rushed out. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. This caused them confusion. They ran in opposite directions. His wife was swept away. Her 2 children, along with her father and brother, were also lost. Thus, Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Part 1. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Quechol. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. उसकी वाइफ ने उसको 6 बजे उठाया क्योंकि उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि earthquake आने वाला है. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. जो Ignatius था उन्होंने धीरे से टेलीविजन नीचे उतारा और नीचे ग्राउंड पे रखा कि जिससे कि वो गिर के टूट ना जाए. Then the family rushed out of the house. और सारी फैमिली जो थी वो घर से बाहर निकल गई. When the tremors stopped. What is tremor? A slight shake. Earth tremors. The earth shakes during the earthquake. हिलना. So they saw the sea rising. In the chaos and confusion, 2 of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother. उनके 2 जो बच्चे थे उन्होंने अपने नाना और मामा का हाथ पकड़ा and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. वो कभी नहीं देख पाया क्योंकि वो उसमें बह गए. His wife was also swept away. उसकी वाइफ भी पानी में बह गई. Only the 3 children who came within him were saved. Next, page number 26. Sanjeev was a policeman. He managed serving as a policeman serving in the Quechol Island of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. मैं इसकी समरी बता रही हूँ आपको स्मॉल. Sanjeev was a policeman. संजीव एक पुलिसमैन था. He managed to save हिमसेल्फ. सुनामी की वजह से वो उसने अपने आप को, अपनी वाइफ को और अपनी बेबी डॉटर को सेव किया. अचानक से ही हर्ड द क्राइज फॉर हेल्प. उसको हेल्प की आवाज़ सुनाई दी और दीज वर फ्रॉम जॉन्स वाइफ. वो जो हेल्प मांग रही थी वो जॉन की वाइफ थी और जॉन जो था वो उनका गेस्ट हाउस का कुक था. संजीव जम्प्ड इनटू द वाटर टू सेव हर. संजीव जो था वो पानी में कूद गया जॉन की वाइफ को सेव बचाने के लिए. एंड दे बोथ वर स्वेप्ट अवे एंड ड्रोन. वो दोनों बह गए. 13 नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज फॉर्चुनेट मेघना. देखिए 13-year-old मेघना वॉज स्वेप्ट अवे अलॉन्ग विद हर पेरेंट्स. मेघना वॉज 13 years old. 13 साल की लड़की थी. एंड शी वॉज स्वेप्ट अवे अलॉन्ग विद हर पेरेंट्स एंड 77 अदर पीपल. 77 दूसरे लोग और उसके पेरेंट्स के साथ वो भी पानी में बह गई थी. शी स्पेंड 2 days फ्लोटिंग इन द सी. 2 दिन तक वो शी वॉज फ्लोटिंग इन द सी होल्डिंग ऑन टू अ वुडन डोर. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. Meghna was, अब मैं इसकी समरी बता रही हूँ. Meghna was 13 years old. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She held on to a wooden door and kept floating on it for 2 days. 2 दिन तक वो लकड़ी का वुडन डोर पकड़कर 2 दिन तक वो फ्लोट करती रही. She was brought to the shore by a wave and saved. Tragedy of Elmas. Elmas Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair where her father had a petrol pump. Elma Javed जो थी was a 10 years old. The family was sleeping but her father had woken up. उसकी फैमिली जो थी वो सो रही थी पर उसके फादर जग गए. He saw the water receding after the tremors. He knew it would come back with great force. उनको पता था पानी बहुत फोर्स के साथ आएगा. He woke everyone trying to rush to a safer place. सबको उन्होंने कोशिश की कि सेफ जगह पे ले जाएं. As they ran, his father fell down. Elma's father rushed to help him. Then came a big wave and swept them both away. Her mother and aunts were washed away too. They were swept away with the tree they were holding on to. और यहाँ से मैं वापस पढ़ा रही हूँ आपको. Elmas Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in a Port Blair where her father had a petrol pump. उसके फादर का पेट्रोल पंप था. Her mother Raila's home was in Nancowdy Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. के लिए गए हुए थे वहाँ पर सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. जब Elma's father saw the sea water recede, उन्होंने पानी को देखा. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke everyone and tried to rush them to a safer place. सबको उठाया. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. जब वो दौड़ने लगे तो जो उसके ग्रैंडफादर थे was hit on the head by something. उनके सर पर किसी चीज़ की लगी और वो गिर गए. Her grandfather rushed to help him. उसके फादर दौड़ के अपने फादर की हेल्प करने के लिए गए. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. एक बहुत बड़ी सी वेव आई, लहर, और उन दोनों को बहाकर ले गई. Elma's mother and aunt stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree and they too were washed away. उसकी मदर और जो आंट्स थी वो पेड़ पकड़ के खड़ी हुई थी और इतनी अब वेव uprooted, एक वेव बहुत ज़ोर से आई और वो उस पेड़ के साथ ही दोनों बह गए. Elmas saw a log of wood floating. उसने एक लकड़ी का टुकड़ा जो था फ्लोट करते हुए देखा. She climbed onto it. Then she fainted. और वो उस पर चढ़कर बेहोश हो गई. Then she woke up and she was in a hospital in Kamolta. From there she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. अभी भी वो traumatized मतलब greatly shocked and distressed. आपको यहाँ पर एक कॉम्प्रीहेंशन चेक दे रखा है. से वेदर द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. आपको कॉपी के अंदर ट्रू फॉल्स करना है. से Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. True. Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. False. Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. False. Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. True. Her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that were holding on to. True. So you have to do this true false and all these word meaning in your copy. Thank you.